English speaking practice.
At the airport. Good morning. I'm flying to New York today. Could you please guide me to the check-in counters?
Good morning. Sure, the check-in counters for your flight are straight ahead, to the left.
Excuse me, I'm a bit nervous about flying. Is there anything I should know before boarding?
Don't worry, flying is safe. Just follow the instructions of the flight attendants, and you'll be fine.
My flight got delayed. Can you tell me the new departure time?
I apologize for the inconvenience. Your flight will now depart at 3:45 p.m.
I have a connecting flight. How do I get to the other terminal?
Take the shuttle bus outside the arrivals area. It will take you to the other terminal in a few minutes.
I forgot to print my boarding pass. Can I do it here?
Sure, you can use the self-service kiosk over there to print your boarding pass.
Is there free Wi-Fi available in the airport?
Yes, we offer free Wi-Fi throughout the airport. Look for the network airport_free_Wi-Fi.
I have some liquids in my carry-on bag. Can I take them through security?
I'm sorry, but liquids are restricted in carry-on bags. You can put them in your checked luggage.
What time should I be at the boarding gate?
It's recommended to be at the boarding gate at least 30 minutes before your flight's departure time.
I'm traveling with my pet. What are the procedures for that?
Please head to the pet check-in counter. They will guide you through the necessary procedures.
I lost my baggage claim tag. How can I retrieve my luggage?
Don't worry. Head to the baggage claim office, and they will assist you in retrieving your luggage.
Can I get a window seat for my flight, please?
Sure, let me check if there are any available window seats. Yes, there's one available. I'll assign it to you.
Is there a smoking area in the airport?
I'm sorry, but smoking is not permitted inside the airport. You'll have to go outside to designated smoking areas.
I have a layover of 4 hours. Are there any lounges where I can relax?
Yes, we have several lounges. They offer comfortable seating, refreshments, and Wi-Fi access. I can show you the way.
My flight was cancelled. What should I do now?
I apologize for the inconvenience. Please head to the airline's customer service desk for rebooking options.
Is there a place to exchange currency here?
Yes, there's a currency exchange counter near the baggage claim area.
My passport expires soon. Will I face any issues while traveling?
It's recommended to have at least 6 months of validity remaining on your passport. Please check with the airline for their specific requirements.
Can I bring my laptop in my carry-on bag?
Yes, laptops are allowed in carry-on bags. Just remember to take it out during security screening.
How much baggage am I allowed to check in?
The baggage allowance varies by airline and ticket class. Please check your airline's website for specific details.
I can't find my boarding pass. What should I do?
Don't worry. Head to the airline's check-in counter, and they'll issue a new boarding pass for you.
I have a medical condition and need some assistance during the flight.
Please inform the airline about your medical condition when you check in. They will provide the necessary assistance.
Can I bring my own snacks on the flight?
Yes, you can bring your snacks in your carry-on bag. Just avoid bringing.
My flight was overbooked. What does that mean?
When a flight is overbooked, it means the airline has sold more tickets than there are available seats. The airline will offer compensation or alternative arrangements.
Is there a lost and found office in the airport?
Yes, the lost and found office is located near the baggage claim area. You can inquire there if you've lost something.
I'm flying with an infant. What facilities are available for families?
We have family restrooms, baby changing stations, and nursing rooms available for your convenience.
Can I upgrade my seat to business class at the airport?
Upgrades to business class are subject to availability. You can inquire at the airline's ticket counter.
I have a tight connection. Will my baggage be transferred automatically?
If both flights are on the same ticket and with the same airline, your baggage should be transferred automatically. Double-check with the airline to be sure.
My flight is delayed, and I'll miss my connecting flight. What should I do?
Head to the airline's customer service desk for assistance with rebooking or alternative arrangements.
Can I use my mobile boarding pass to board the flight?
Yes, if you have a mobile boarding pass, you can use it to board. Just make sure your phone is fully charged.
Is there a place to store my luggage temporarily if I want to explore the city during my layover?
Yes, we have a luggage storage service. You can leave your luggage securely with us.
I left my phone on the plane. Can you help me retrieve it?
I'm sorry to hear that. Please head to the Lost and Found office, and they will assist you in locating your phone.
Is there a place to buy some snacks for the flight?
Yes, we have several shops and convenience stores in the departure area where you can buy snacks.
Can I get a seat with extra legroom?
Extra legroom seats are usually available for an additional fee. You can inquire about it at the airline's check-in counter.
I need to change my flight date. Can you assist me with that?
I'm sorry, but flight changes need to be done through the airline's customer service or website.
My luggage is damaged. What should I do now?
I apologize for the inconvenience. Please head to the baggage claim office and file a report for damaged luggage.
My flight was diverted. What does that mean?
When a flight is diverted, it means it has been redirected to a different airport due to weather or other reasons.
Can I use my credit card to pay for the excess baggage fee?
Yes, we accept credit card payments for excess baggage fees.
I have a long layover. Are there any nearby attractions I can visit?
Yes, there are some nearby attractions. You can take a taxi to the city center and explore popular sites.
I lost my passport. What should I do now?
I'm sorry to hear that. Please report the loss to the nearest immigration office and contact your embassy or consulate for further assistance.
Can I bring duty-free items on the plane?
Yes, you can bring duty-free items in your carry-on bag as long as they are sealed in the security tamper-evident bag and you have the receipt.
I have a long layover and need a place to rest. Is there a hotel inside the airport?
Yes, there's a transit hotel located within the airport. They offer rooms for passengers with long layovers.
Is there a shuttle service to nearby hotels from the airport?
Yes, some hotels offer shuttle services. You can check with your hotel or the airport information desk for details.
Can I bring my pet carrier inside the cabin?
Yes, you can bring your pet carrier inside the cabin if your pet meets the airline's guidelines for in-cabin pets.
I have a question about my visa requirements for my destination. Can you help me with that?
I can provide general information, but for specific visa requirements, it's best to contact the embassy or consulate of your destination country.
I have a connecting flight, but my baggage is through-checked to the final destination. Do I need to go through security again?
If your baggage is through-checked, you usually won't need to go through security again. Follow the signs for connecting flights.
Is there a prayer room in the airport for travelers?
Yes, we have a prayer room available for travelers of all faiths. It's located near the departure gates.
I have some duty-free liquids. Can I carry them on my connecting flight?
If your liquids are in a security tamper-evident bag and you have the receipt, you can carry them on your connecting flight.
I left my laptop at the security checkpoint. Can you help me find it?
I'm sorry to hear that. Please head to the security checkpoint, and they will assist you in locating your laptop.
Thank you so much for your help and guidance. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure assisting you. Have a safe and pleasant flight to New York.
Thank you. I'll do my best to relax during the flight. Goodbye.
Goodbye. If you need any assistance in the future, don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.